Hi everyone, I'm Aya.
I'm Maloy.
Echo, I'm Stacy.
And we are Beanie.
Na tayo umuwi, mundo'y tahimik sa iyong tabi. Dito muna hanggang palagang gabi, nilalaho ang dilim sa iyong ngiti. Dito muna ako.
Ako siguro like yung see mo in life. Like example, with that I mean, like example, if ako sa age ko na to, 23, I could have been a graduate na sana, yung mga kabatch ko graduate na, pero nasa school pa ako. So na it's fine, okay lang yan. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng ganda sa buhay na una naman sa akin yung career before I graduated, or hopefully I will graduate. But it's fine, graduate hindi, may trabaho hindi, pero as long as buhay ka. As long as you're building and happy in life, happy where you're at, I think that's the very important thing. Yes, trying to live in the moment.
Yes.
Same with Ate Aya.
Same din po.
Ako, wait lang.
Paano naging solid? Like, feeling ko naging solid kasi
Nag-stay kami ng isang buong bahay for
how many years?
3 years.
3 years. So, wala kaming choice kundi mag-adjust sa isa't isa.
And i-handle ang mga topak po ng isa't isa.
Yes.
Nang walang uwian. May mga away po, syempre may mga away na. Kasi lahat kami mga babae, tapos halos magkakalapit ng age. So hindi talaga may iwasan yun. Pero
I think the fights happen for a reason.
okay, tapos pinipili pa rin namin.
Okay, may mamali.
Kind of image, me never really fall. Swerve and a dip, turn your body. Me never hurt nobody, and girl, personally, yeah, I be curve and assist. Pan if we play 6, come taste some of this. Yo, bunny, come bounce, pan the body, take it off, take it from me.
Ako din pares tayo. Buti na lang nag-shade ako. Buti na mayak eh.
If you are new to this channel or you just happen to stumble across this video, welcome to Beanie Regime Adventures! And if you don't know, we are currently here at one of the busiest areas in Baguio, which is the famous Session Road!
Naku, usually talaga, busy talaga to dito sa